Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I have got rid of the face-to-face introduction just because I don't know whether you guys were loving it, but I wasn't. So anyway, I am here with my kit lineup, and as you can see, it is my wedding month, so I'm super excited for this one. This video is technically up a day late. It should have come up yesterday with my 2 video a week thing for the moment, but I wanted to show you my wedding kit because I love it so much. But it's exclusive custom art that Sophie of Rymerplans drew for me. So anyway, we'll get back on. I didn't want to share it until my wedding day because you'll see. Anyway, without any further ado, let me get on with it. So first I've got my monthly kit, which is this white dress monthly. So this is Plannerface art kit in the monthly format. I do always use her monthlies pretty much. And it is this gorgeous wedding theme. She actually recoloured this. It was like an orangey colour and she's made it more pink, and I actually really like the recolour. I wasn't sure about the art, but I loved what Anna did with it. So you've got this gorgeous, and I love this pattern so much. So you've got your wood there and things, then this is your monthly kit format. So you've got your functional sidebar, which I don't touch, your boxes and your date dots. Next you've got your build dues and your some decorative boxes and small boxes, your icons, some more icons and little flags and stuff. Then I always get the Monday start strip there, so that's cute. And then you have your day cover-ups for the days not in the month. So you've got those, you've got your washi strips, and then you've got your decorative sidebar, which I do use, and you've got to choose between 2 girls, I think, and I got the one that looks more like me. So I do have brown hair and I am white, obviously. So that's that. And I am pairing rose gold foil with this kit, and I have these washi tapes here to pair with it. So I think they're actually all from Simply Gilded. So you got this, this is also almost an autumnal, but the green is like the same green tone as in the kit. I know it doesn't look necessarily like it is on camera, but it is like the same green tone there, so I thought that paired really well. Got these birds, and that's actually more of a coppery rose gold, but I don't really mind mixing a little bit. We've got 2 gorgeous florals, one with bows and one without, and then the gorgeous lace pattern there. So yeah, rose gold foil, and that will be my memory monthly for July. June. It's my wedding month. How do I not know what the month is? That's like the 3rd time I've got this wrong. Okay, so next up we have the week that is starting the 30th of May, and we're sticking with Plannerface for a minute, and we are using I Do. This is quite an old Plannerface kit, but obviously is wedding themed, and I love it so much. This is Kittenish Girl Jess art, and it is glorious. This is nothing like the vibes of my wedding, which you will see in a minute. But well, it kind of is, but kind of isn't. It is my vibe, but this isn't what our wedding is going to look like. We're definitely not having pink in our colour scheme, and you'll see some of our colour scheme in a moment. Anyhow, these are the 4 boxes. I love this little scene. Fun fact, this arch, you can only actually get married outside in a fixed structure, so that's why you have to like get married under an arch or something. But anyway, moving on. I love these 4 boxes. How sweet it is to be loved by you is such a cute quote. Got this gorgeous girl here, and then we've got our boxes page. This is quite an old format, so I'm not gonna like stray on the format. I love that pattern behind the date covers. Then you've got your you've got extra tall boxes. So I will probably use this one because I have brown hair and my partner has black hair, but he is Asian and I'm much paler than that. So I'll probably like maybe colour him in a little bit because or something to make it look a bit more like him. I might also use 2 of these boxes, and if I use 2 of them I'll probably use this one as well, and maybe again colour in the male's hair, but I don't know. Anyhow, past that, and then we have the girl boxes, and it isn't how I have my hair, but it's not that different. I'm having plaits around the side. Obviously my wedding's going on, so I feel like I can share this information. I'm having plaits around the side and then curled back, and my dress isn't like this, but you know, it's the same. It's got that like sort of style of strap, but anyway. So these are the extra girl boxes, and I think that's instead of, they might just be extra girl boxes. I don't know that that girl is in the kit anyway, but anyway, so I will use those. Got your little things page, your embry heart check boxes, and your washi there. Then I always get the glitter add-on with Plannerface kits, or I used to when they were in this format before the box add-on existed. So that's there. Beautiful. So So then with that, I have, for my pre-planner, I am going to be pairing rose gold foil. So I have this washi here from Simply Gilded, which has got this sort of rose floral on with the little rose gold hearts. And I think that just matches perfectly. It's got the dark brown of the kit that isn't one of the kit colours. It's got the greens and it's got the pink in. So I think that just matches this kit so perfectly. And then obviously I will be pulling in wedding overlays with it. So I've got the I Do headers, the wedding ring tinies, double box. I've used some of this obviously. These are all oops, by the way. This is the ring confetti page, and this is the I can't remember what it's called, but it's like wedding, I don't remember what it's called, but I've got those, and that should be plenty for me to use with this. So that's there. And then for the memory spread, I am going to be using pink foil, and this is a twinkle that has not yet come out and is gorgeous. So it is dusky rose foil, and I think it matches perfectly with this kit. So it is the same 8 overlays but in a twinkle format there. So then you also get your washi, your headers and corners to do in this week. You get your functional page, this is the full twinkle. You go script, and I've got this on transparent, and then you get your bougie, 2 pages of bougie as well. So that's going to be for the memory spread of this week there. And then because I'm using a specialty foil, instead of a roller washi, I have the washi add-on to go with the kit. So that is I Do for the week of the 30th of May. So next up we have my wedding kit, and you're about to see why I've been really silent about where my wedding actually is. And I've got a chunk here because my wedding is actually at a public place. So I am getting married at Yorkshire Wildlife Park, and this is why I was never gonna share where my wedding was, because it is a public place. The park will be open on the day, but we do get to go around and see animals and things. So Sophie of Rymerplans made this art, and Beth of Colourful & Co, previously Colourful & Co, made it into this kit. And like, she's pulled in details, so we are having an arch. It's not going to look identical to this obviously, but we're having an arch, and she's pulled in our colour scheme. These are very similar to on my invite. We had these sorts of leaves on them, and she's then pulled in animals from the park as well, and I love it so much. So yeah, and then this is obviously drawn me and Soch, and this is my wedding ring, my engagement ring, and yeah, it's similar to Soch's suit, things like that. And just, yeah, I'm obsessed with it. So I actually have 2 full copies of this kit. So this is the first kit page. So yeah, I've not shared where I'm going to, because I didn't want people to show up at the wildlife park and be like, yeah, because they could. So I didn't want to share this until today, but obviously the park is now closed for the day by the time you're seeing this video. But yeah, and I'm married. So yeah, I've got 2 copies of the kit. This is her new format that I know she's shut, so it's kind of irrelevant. You've got the red panda on the box, and just, yeah, I love this so much. It is glorious. So she also did this double box scene. So this is kind of what our wedding cake is going to look like. It's similar to our wedding cake. We're having afternoon tea at the wedding, and we're having bottles with sunflowers on, so that's cute. And then, I don't know whether you can see this little detail here, but she put little key rings in, and there are key rings that we have of each other, and then this is kind of the room, the style of the room that the reception is in, so she's drawn that as well. So obsessed. So as I said, I have 2 full copies of the kit, so I've got one to use in my pre-planner and one to use in my memory planner, and then I have a load of extras as well. So I actually have another copy of the first 2 pages, because these ones are miscut and some of it isn't usable, but she thought she'd send me those anyway. And then I have another 3 copies of the boxes the 2 boxes pages, so I've got loads to play with, so that I can put in every single detail and have exactly what I want from a wedding spread. So I have a proper chunk of that. So now it might make a little bit more sense. So I'll start with my pre-planner actually. In my pre-planner I'm going to be using silver foil, and I'm going to be using this blue washi here. This blue is the blue that my bridesmaids dresses are in, and obviously it's in the kit, so yeah, I just thought that was perfect. So I'm pairing it with silver foil, and again I have the entire wedding kit, and these ones are not oops, these are proper quality because it is my wedding week and I wanted full quality, and I've got all of the pages except the big bottom washi, because this has split bottom washi, so I've got all of that for my pre-planning spread. And then for my memory planning spread, this may make a little bit more sense now, but I am pairing the leopard foil because it's the wildlife park. I couldn't not do this. I might pull in some wedding overlays in gold as well, but yeah, I couldn't not do this. So this is for my memory spread. So you've got your full box page, your washi. This wasn't actually an oops, it's not got the tinies in, but that's fine. And then we've got your script page and your thingy page. I do also intend to, I haven't got them at the moment, but I do intend to make myself the bougie boxes as well. So that is my wedding week and the week kit I'm using this week that you are watching this video. And I am married, and oh my god, that seems unreal to me. Okay. The following week, so I'm actually back at work the Monday after our wedding, and we are just going on a little mini moon within the country afterwards to celebrate. So I've been back and forth on this, but I decided to go with my last wedding kit that I bought for this next week, which is going to be the week of the 13th of June. So it's just one last wedding kit, and this is from Simply Beautiful Plans, and it's gorgeous silver foiled kit. And this is going to be another one of those super decorative floral layering spreads, and I'm super excited for it because I love how the last one came out. So this is quite a small kit for me, but that's how we will make that work. So you've got that page, you've got your deco and some half boxes there, you've got your foiled boxes page there, you've got your bottom washi page here, and then I bought the floral deco add-on as well, and I got this foiled in silver as well, so it's got loads of glorious foil on each sticker. Then also with the kit you got this add-on, so I got the header add-on. I don't remember whether that was included or I paid for that, but you got the header add-on, and then you got this as well, so it's got like some stuff, it's got stuff there, you can see it. Words aren't working. And then I also got these 2 layering sheets there, so they are really cute and going to be perfect for that sort of white spacey style. As it's a fully foiled kit, I don't need any foil overlays, but I do have washi to pull it in with it, because I do use I use it in both planners, and this is a bit more of a complicated one. So with this top strip, I'm just trying to get this right. Yeah, so with this top strip, I'm going to use these 2 Simply Gilded washies. In fact, all 3 washies are from Simply Gilded, but then there's this purple. Is this the right one? Yes. This purple that is very similar to that purple in the kit there. I'm like doubting whether this was the right purple, but I think it was. Hang on. Yeah, you can see when it's rolled out, it is like basically the same tone as that washi there. So yeah, we're going to use those 2 instead of the big strip, rather than cut any of this up. And then with the so the small strip and these 2 washies will be used together, and then the big strip is going to be used with this pink heart pattern there. So they are the washies, and they are all Simply Gilded again. So that's I do from Simply Beautiful Plans. So last but not least for this video, we have the week of the 20th of June. I would normally share the next week video kit as well, but it's not here yet, so I thought I might as well wait and show you it in the next line of videos. So this is the 20th of June kit, and I am using Meadow from Plannerface. I'm going straight into summer kits after the wedding kits. It's also the my sister runs a beer festival called Booze in the Pews in her church. It's the weekend of this week, and I will be there celebrating that. And so they, at the summer one, they sometimes do a family fun day outside, and so this kind of felt a bit like the right vibes for that, and I'm hoping for the good weather, so it felt right. So this is Meadow. This is again Kitnish Girl Jess Art. I love it so much. I think it's absolutely glorious. I love the strawberries in the shape of hearts, and it's like it's still got a few lovey elements, so it just feels right for the last week of my wedding month. So that is the full boxes and your tart checklists, and then you have the alternate girls. I can't remember whether this girl is on the bottom washi page, but you've got 3 alternate skin colours for there, and 3 alternate skin colours and hair colours for there. Then you've got your deco and your appointment labels. Come back to that. You've got your boxes and flags. This is the newest format. I wasn't 100% sure until I got to this page. So this is the new like box and littles page. You've got your ombre heart check boxes, your icons, and some more boxes. And then you've got your bottom washi page, and I get the box add-on now with Plannerface kits. I also have the 15mm add-on for this kit. So I'm not 100% sure what foil I'm going to pair with this kit. I really don't know. You don't get that girl anywhere else. So there's loads of full boxes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 13 full boxes to play with here with the way I plan. Anyway, so if I, so one of my, I've got 3 foil options here. So the first one is I might use this, which is lilac lines. And I'm just going to change my lighting for a second. Okay, so this is lilac lines, and as you can see now I've changed my lighting. There are holographic lines in the purple foil, but it is a gorgeous lilac-y light purple foil there. I'll flick through the foil bundle with the lights like this, and then I'll pop back and make it just shiny. It looks flat purple under the other lighting. But so this is in the twinkle dot format, so that's your bottom washi, your you can tell really well on there, like, so yeah, let me just change my lighting on this page. Actually no, we'll just show you again. So you can tell really well what the foil pattern is like on there. It is really gorgeous, like holographic purpley there. And you got your script page, and I've got it on transparent matte, and then I've got the bougie as well. I do have another copy of the script twinkle as well, because I have no chill. So I could pair it with lilac lines because I think that really matches well. So I'm just going to change my lighting back, let it adjust. So yeah, you can see in this lighting it's a bit more just like a flat purple. You can still see the lines. Where did it show best? It showed best on here. You can still see the lines when the lighting is like this. This is obviously oops, but they don't look holographic. So that is one option. So I want your comments down below. I want you to tell me which foil you think I should use. So lilac lines is option 1, and then the other 2 options, and if I did that I'd use these. And the other 2 options are one of these 2. Focus please. So we've got silver or hollow foil. The silver, I'd use this purple, which matches this kit purple in the kit perfectly, and this is an ex Colourful & Co washi that I think there's some oops rolls of this will be coming to my shop. I don't actually have them at the moment. Or I could use this bright yellow, which really matches the yellow in the kit again, in holographic foil. So if I go with silver, and then I've got the foil overlays, I will pair whichever foil colour I go for. So if I go for holographic, I'm mostly going to be pairing a Daisy Dot, and again this is gorgeous holographic. Hollow always shows better in that change of lighting, so there you go, that's with the change of lighting. So anything holographic shows better in that lighting, but everything other foil shows better like this. So I've got Daisy Doodle for that, and then I also have some of the Vine overlays as well. So that's what I'll do if I go with hollow foil. So yeah, that's there. Or if I go with the silver foil, I have the rose headers, 1 hydrangea box there, rose overlays, and the mixed floral sheet there. So yeah, let me know in the comments which of the 3 foils you think I should go with, well, which 2 of the 3 foils you think I should go with. I'm leaning towards hollow and lilac lines, but let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so that is it for our kit lineup video. Let me know what kit you're most excited to see me use. So you're going to see pre-plan with me with these 2 and memory plan with me with these 2. So let me know down below which you're most excited for. And if you've actually seen this pre-plan with me, I'm about to film it now, and it'll have come out this Monday. Anyhow, comment like down below what you think I should do about the foil and which kit you're most excited to see me use. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!